Hello everybody, I am Dr. Rajesh Saoji working as a consultant cancer and robotic surgeon at Kamalnayan Bajaj Hospital, Aurangabad. We have recently launched Olympus 4K bronchoscopy unit in our hospital. Bronchoscopy is the machine in which we examine patients' airway, trachea, bronchi from inside. Patients who have recurrent cough, suspected cancer, suspected tuberculosis can be examined via this machine. We pass this small tube through the nose and examine patient's airway from inside. If there are any tumors, suspected areas which can be tumorous or can have some infection like tuberculosis, we can take biopsy samples or some fluid from inside, which will confirm the diagnosis and help in the treatment of the patient. This is the very recent launch of this kind of machine. This is the advanced bronchoscopy unit, which has a 4K resolution, which can give excellent image qualities and help in better diagnosis and early diagnosis of cancer patients. Since we are a charitable hospital, this facility is available at a very considerably less cost than other hospitals in our institute. Thank you.